Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing an unboxing video. I am so excited. I love getting deliveries. When the postman come and I hear something get posted through the letterbox, or if he knocks on the door, I'm literally like Christmas all over again, excited. So I have placed a little order with Pixie Dot Craft supplies, and she has kindly thrown in some extras which I am super excited about. So thank you so much for that, Donna. So let's open the box. So these were a pack of 4, or you could purchase them individually, but I absolutely love greys. I don't know what it is, I just think greys are so cute, and it's quite an in colour at the moment. And this bunny fabric, I just could not resist it. Like I said, you can order these separately, but just look at them. I had to get all 4 because I couldn't pick just one. And these would look really good paired up. You can do one side, say like with the flowers, one side with the bunnies. They are so stunning. And that is the 4th one. So that is all 4 prints. And these worked out at around just £2 each, ordering all 4, or you can pay slightly more and just order one. And these are printed on canvas. These will hold a shape without backing, but I do like to back mine, that's personal preference, so I will be backing these with felt. But these prints are gorgeous, and like I say, the greys with the pastels, it's absolutely stunning, so I can't wait to use these. So they are the first 4 fabrics that I ordered. And then I also added in some of these gorgeous baby pinks. I got 2 of these, and I did want a chunky glitter, but unfortunately she was out of stock, but she should be getting some in soon. But look at this colour. I don't really mind that it's a fine glitter, because like I say, I can just back these with felt, and fine glitter is usually a little bit cheaper than the chunky glitter anyway, so it don't matter if you've just got to add a little bit of felt on the back if you want to make it thicker. I thought these would look really nice as a half and half bow. That would bring out the pink in the rooftops, or bring out the pink in those hearts. Or if you didn't want an Easter bow, you could make a pretty springtime bow using the flowers in the baby pink. And then look at this one. I love this. This is brilliant for spring summer as well. It is again printed on the canvas, and look at that, isn't that stunning? Little rainbows and stars, and if you look at it, it basically looks like a leopard print, but it's been really cleverly done, because it looks like leopard print but it's actually, well, stars and rainbows. It's really cute. So I went for this one because I thought, again, spring summer, it will go with the baby pink, it will go with purples, yellows, blues. You could do this in a half and half bow. You could use it on its own on the top layer and then pair it with glitter. You can use this with all kinds of fabrics. It will go with so many different colours. And yeah, it's just gorgeous. It will make a lovely bow. So these are the fabrics I ordered. I also ordered some bias, because these look gorgeous on baby headbands. I like the glitter bows on baby headbands, but there's just something about a little cotton bow on a headband. It's so cute, and these are really soft as well for newborn babies. So I ordered these florals, this sort of lemon colour with the gorgeous blue flowers, and this white fabric with the pink flowers. Again, these will look lovely for spring, summer, all year round really on a baby, because babies, they look cute all year round in whatever they wear. And Donna has kindly thrown in some extras for me, so I can pair these up. As you can see, she's matched these up. So this gorgeous sort of corally pink colour will go really well with this, so I can show you some examples of a mixed bias bow. And also these blues, this lovely baby blue and this dark blue, will also pick out the colours in this and make really cute bows mixed and matched. So I will show you some ideas and tutorials obviously with these at some point, so keep an eye on my channel. I've also been sent a free sample of this gorgeous chunky glitter. This is a nice thick chunky glitter. This will definitely not require any backing at all because it's a nice sturdy fabric. And as you can see, it's silver mainly, but it also has all little different specks of different colours. Again, I love these kind of fabrics because you can really pick out any fabrics and they will match. It would go with this rainbow fabric, it would go with a plain pink, it would even go with this bunny fabric. So these are really good to have, these kind of fabrics. So mainly silver with all different rainbow specks of glitter in there when you look closely. So I'll just set these fabrics aside and then I will show you the other extra bits. So I have been sent the Pixie Dot Dotty templates in all 3 sizes. You can play around with these and get lots of different styles out of them. So in the coming weeks I will be doing lots of tutorials and I'll be using these templates and showing you what you can do with them to change them up a little bit. So that is one set of templates. We also have the double dotty tail down template, and this one you can make a double layered bow with the tails at the bottom and also the tails down template for the top layer as well. And that looks like this in the packet. As you can see, they're in halves, and with this template you can actually make a bow similar to this one. But she's kindly sent me this template as well, so I've got all 3 different sorts of templates so I can have a little play and mix and match and show you guys some new ideas hopefully. So this is the double dotty layered, and this is the one that actually got me to inbox Donna at Pixie Dot Craft Supplies, because she posted a photo of this bow actually on my Facebook group, and I said, oh my god, what is that bow template? How have I not seen it before? And I just need to get my hands on it. And I ordered some goodies and she kindly sent me all these templates to try out and also share with you guys, because a lot of people obviously will look at this bow and might not realise how it goes together or how they can mix and match. So that is what I'm hoping to bring to you guys with these templates, and obviously all these gorgeous fabrics as well. So keep an eye on my channel. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell button to turn on notifications. And then as I upload these tutorials and videos, you will get notified as soon as I upload them and you won't miss any. Thanks for watching everyone. Bye bye.